to impress someone, then start speaking advanced English, right? So you can impress anyone easily, right? So let's have a look to the various advanced English sentences. Hello everyone, Neelam this side, right? Let's get started. Normal, let's meet today. Advanced, let's catch up today, right? So instead of using let's meet today, you can say let's catch up today, right? Next sentence is normal, I'm very hungry. Advanced, I'm starving. Again, normal, I'm very happy. Advanced, I'm over the moon. Normal English, why are you so angry? Advanced English, why are you so pissed off? Normal English, I am very tired. Advanced, I am exhausted. Right? Normal, sorry, I fell asleep. Advanced, sorry, I nodded off. Right? Normal, it's very cold outside. Advanced, it's freezing outside. Normal, hurry up, we are getting late. Advanced, chop chop, we are catching late. Right? Normal, if we are talking about the good luck, then in normal English we can say that good luck bro. But in advanced, break a leg bro. Right? In normal English we can say that stop wasting time. But in advanced English, stop faffing around. Right? Normal English, you are so lucky. Advanced, you are so jammy. Right? Normal English, keep it a secret. Advanced, keep it under wraps. Right? Normal, I visit my hometown very rarely. Right? I visit my hometown once in a blue moon. Advanced, right? Normal, I'm going to get married tomorrow, right? Advanced, I'm going to tie a note tomorrow, right? Normal English, how are you? Advanced, how is it going? Right? Normal, it's not so difficult. Advanced, it's not a rocket science. Right? Normal English, can I come tomorrow? Advanced, can I drop in tomorrow? Normal English, I'm fit and healthy. Advanced, I'm fit as a fiddle. Right? Normal, I'm bit busy. Advanced, I'm bit tied up. Right? Normal, are you mad? Advanced, are you out of mind? Normal, it's time to study. Advanced, it's time to hit the books. right? So this is the advanced sentence, right? Again, normal sentence, I like you a lot. Advanced, I'm so into you, right? Normal, text me when you get free. Advanced, hit me up when you get free, right? Normal, you are so beautiful. Advanced, you are drop that gorgeous, right? If you like my content, then do subscribe my channel, hit the like button, hit the bell icon, and do share this video with your friends and colleagues so that they can also speak the advanced English to impress anyone, right?